Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to add and remove mail account on any iPhone. Now currently I'm using an iPhone 11 to record this video, and the iOS version on our iPhone is the iOS 18.3.1. Now to add or remove mail account on your iPhone, just open the settings app. Now from here scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, just search Mail in the search bar. Now from here, tap on Mail. Now from here, tap on Mail Accounts. Now from here, tap on Add Account. Now from here, you can add any mail account you like. You can add an iCloud mail account, Microsoft Exchange, Google, Yahoo, Outlook. Now currently I will add a Google account, so I'll tap on Google. Now from here, just enter your Gmail. Now from here, once you have entered your Gmail, just tap on Next. Now from here, just enter your password. Now from here, once you have entered the password of your Gmail, just tap on Done. Now from here, tap on Next. Now from here, tap on Continue. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Continue. Now from here, make sure you enable mail. Now from here, tap on Save. Now as you can see, we have successfully entered a Gmail account. Just like that. Now if you want to remove the mail account you just entered, just tap on the mail account you want to delete. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Delete Account. Now from here, tap on Delete from my iPhone. And this is how you can add or remove mail account on any iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.